So I have this dual-sided silicone body brush, and the first thing that impressed me about this was this side right here. It's super soft. It feels so good. But before we get into that, I just want to show you, it comes with this, and it comes with this, which is a little hook right here. You can, it has tape on this side. You can just put it on the wall and just hang it. But this thing is amazing. So it has little grooves. I don't know if you can see that, for your fingers, and it makes it super easy to hold. This side is super soft. I love it. It feels so good. And there's like a lot of tiny ones here. Then on this side, it's more of a medium. It's not hard, but it's more of a medium feel. And you can see these are thicker, and it's really long. That way you can, reach. So it adds about maybe a foot and a half to what you can reach with your arm. So I mean, it's pretty long, but it's so good. And you can just put some soap on here, body wash, whatever it is, and just use it to scrub your body.